Hi guys, in this video me and my husband will be unboxing Breville the Juice Fountain Plus. This is one of the top rated juicers here in Canada and we decided to go ahead and give this a try. Continue watching to find out more about this juicer. So first of all, we're going to go ahead with the unboxing. Here's my husband unboxing the juicer. And you can see the very first thing that is inside the box is obviously the user's manual. The start guide just to kind of give you a quick basic startup on what to do. Here is the jug. This jug I believe is for storing the juice. That would come out of the juicer. And now I'll give you like a top view of what you would see inside the box. So as you can see here inside the box we have the machine very nicely and tightly fitted. It's also wrapped nicely in plastic, and that's my husband just taking out the juicer machine. We will set this up here to give you a better look on what the juicer looks like. I believe this machine comes in 3 parts, as I can tell from the view here. There is a jug on the side, on the left hand side, that's a gray jug, and then you have the actual machine in between. And I'm guessing the right hand side is where the other jug would go, the jug where you would put the juice, where the juicer machine would release the juice into. Now my husband is just going to go ahead and take off the plastic. Okay guys, so we've set up the machine here just to give a quick guide on what's going on. You have the starter's manual over here. This would explain if you have any questions about what to do or how to use the machine. And then you have this crushing piece on top. I believe that's for crushing the veggies or the fruits. And here is the jug that I was speaking of. It comes with a very nice lid, and the quality, I have to say, is really nice and durable. And you also have suction cups on the bottom. These suction cups help to, make sure that the machine is stuck onto the surface and it doesn't move. Here is the brush for cleaning purposes. The bristles are very nice and hard, so that would really help in cleaning. And on the left hand side here, you have the jug for access. So anytime there's, seeds or anything like that coming out of your fruits or veggies, that's where those would get stored. And another thing to note is it comes with a very nice handle that would kind of help to make sure the machine is hard and packed and locked nicely. And here we have, I believe this is the blade part of the machine. So when you put your fruits and veggies in at the top, this is the blade. You can see the blade is very nice and precise, super, super thin to make sure that, very little is getting out of the machine. Here we have set up carrots for demonstration purposes. We're going to be going ahead and making some very nice carrot juice. These carrots are organic, and I will let my husband go ahead and do his job. As you can see, he's pointing towards the, I believe these are the settings of the juicer. So there's a low mode and a high mode. And these carrots we're doing on high mode just because carrots are super hard, and we want to make sure that the machine is working properly. So as you can see here, it's very nice and easy. You don't have to push too hard on the crusher. All you do is just put the carrots in there and slightly move that crusher inside, and the blades will do their job. You can see all 3 parts of the machine work simultaneously. The axis comes out right on the left side of the jug. The juice is coming fresh. As soon as you pop the carrot in there, you can see nice and fresh juice being brought out. Very nice and easy to use so far. And I can show you here, the juice looks delicious. It looks super fresh, super healthy as well. And this is good for obviously all members of the family. And it's not just carrots, it could be anything that this machine can intake. From the size of the input on the top, I can see that, you could easily put in whole fruits, for example, full apples, full oranges. Now, here's a view of the axis. So the jug on the left, over here, when we emptied that out, this would be the axis. So you can see it really crushed down, and we were able to make some very, very good and healthy carrot juice.